He was trying to force his cat to love him.
Over here. It's not that serious.
Have one. You can have one bite. It's pistachio ice cream.
This chunky monster of a boy. He's not overeating. I know that. Look at
The streamer's cat really loves her.
I don't know what she's looking at. He just flung cat litter out of the box. He's probably gonna do it again. Oh my god.
El cielo se cae, hijo chicken little.
Who would you save in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
You.